Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm here with midwife Annie.
Hi.
And our dear Denise.
Hi.
Almost every pregnant woman suffers from back pain sooner or later. You too, Denise?
Yes, I'm in week 29 now, and for about a week I'm starting to recognize some first pain, and it's starting to get uncomfortable to sit. Yeah.
That's a typical starting point, actually. So, why is that, Annie?
Well, back pain is unfortunately very, very common in pregnancy. Not only you suffer from it, Denise, but a lot of pregnant women. So we have the growing belly with the amniotic fluid, the uterus that's growing, the child that is growing. So it's getting heavier and heavier, and the pressure on the back is getting higher and higher. And then we have progesterone, which is a pregnancy hormone, and that causes our ligaments and also our spine to loosen up. And together with the pressure, that can be just very disharmonizing and painful in your back. Yeah.
Okay, so if a pregnant woman would come to you with back pain, what would you recommend?
I would recommend her to do a sport that will tighten her back muscles, strengthen her back muscles, and I would tell her, because the weight of the body is now in the center, so around the belly, we tend to go into a hollow back, like this. So I would recommend her to try and sit right, and always remember, okay, am I sitting right? Is my back straight? Am I going into a hollow back, which will just increase the pain?
Mm-hmm. And speaking about sports or movement, we of course have many exercises to strengthen your back and also to stretch the aching muscles. What else could you do?
Very relaxing are pregnancy massages that you can get. If you lie on your side, no matter if you're sleeping or if you're just lying on the couch, you can take a pillow. It can be a nursing pillow or just any pillow that you put between your legs and underneath your belly. That will take weight off of your back. Mm-hmm. The one thing you do have to be careful about is if you have ongoing pain, if it's persistent. That's the time you might want to see a doctor or your midwife, because it can always be contractions.
And in addition to back pain, many women suffer from sciatic pain. I also had this during my pregnancies, and it was so bad, sometimes I could hardly walk. So why is that?
Well, first of all, we don't want to scare you, Denise. That does not happen to every woman. But if it does, you can feel it as basically a nerve pain, and it can go into your legs like a tickling, tingling feeling in your legs, and also a little bit of numbness.
So what can you do about it?
Well, like I said, there's a lot of things you can do if you have back pains. I could also recommend them here. There's a belly belt you can wear. For example, the Oopsie Belly from Belly Bandit. May I show this on you, Denise? It's basically a belly belt that you wrap around your belly like this. You close it pretty tight the way you feel is comfortable for you. And what it will do, it will help stabilize your lower back. It will lift the weight off of your pelvis, which is great because you just don't feel so much pressure going down towards your legs and also towards your nerve. It will take the weight off of the bladder, which will help you go to the bathroom less.
Okay. Denise, could you show us how to put it on?
Sure. It feels very soft on my skin.
Yes, it's made of very soft viscose bamboo fibers.
Oh, and there's a pocket.
This is when you have acute pain. You can apply hot or cooling compresses. You can even wear the Oopsie Belly when you exercise. We'll show you a yoga exercise to stabilize the back. Come on to all fours, please. Lengthen your back, and from here, round your back. And inhale, open your heart, chest and lungs. You can look forward. And exhale, cat back. And inhale, open. From here, come back to neutral position and start to circle your pelvis to one side and to the other side. This really releases the pain. You can also do this during contractions. And come back center. And now sit back and relax. You can do this anytime during your everyday life, and it really helps you to stabilize your lower back. You can also use the Oopsie Belly from Belly Bandit to support you in your everyday life and during your sports.